So if you look in the manual under wipers of how to take these off, although these are Bosch, so they were already replaced. We're going to replace them with these Rain-X ones. Pinch this, pull it back, and it falls off. And when you lift this up, this should slide down. There we go. Put it back on so we can see what it looks like. Lots of instructions depending on what your wiper arm looks like on the end. And this is the one we have. It just has a basic little loop. And it's the simplest instruction. You open a little tab, push down stop, slide it back until it clicks, and then close it. Just want to be careful not to scratch anything. Okay, so it goes this way. It's going to go on. You have to open this tab first. Yep, get it open. Go down. Now pull the wiper blade this way till it snaps. Don't pull the whole unit this way. There you go, keep pulling. You want it to be flat. It should just pop right in. Did it click? Mm-hmm. Click it shut. All right. Take the protector out. Put the blade down. Now read what it says to do with these blades. Ensure the windshield is clean. Turn on the wiper blades and wipe at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes to activate water repellent coating. In wet conditions, simply run the wipers across the windshield. Otherwise, apply water to them for 2 to 3 minutes. Put a little water on it. Run it. Keep going.